Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel, The Maths Booth. Today I am here with class 10th, chapter 3, pair of linear equation in two variables, new NCERT textbook 2024-2025. In this video we are going to solve exercise 3.3, question number 2, second question. Okay, let us see the second question here. 5 years ago, Noori was thrice as old as Sonu. 10 years later, Noori will be twice as old as Sonu. How old are Noori and Sonu? Here in this question, they are talking about Noori and Sonu before 5 years and then after 10 years. Now they are asking how old are Noori and Sonu. That means their present age they are asking. So let us consider. Let the present age of Noori be present age of Noori be x years and the present age of Sonu be y years. Okay, now let us see 5 years ago. First I am writing about 5 years ago. 5 years ago. Ago means always we should do minus. After means we should do plus. 5 years ago. First I'll write Noori's age. 5 years ago, Noori's age. That is x minus 5. Sonu's age, y minus 5. Okay. This is about 5 years ago, Noori's age and Sonu's age. Let us this question according to the question. I'll write. Okay. 5 years ago, Noori was thrice as old as Sonu. Okay. First case, what they are saying? 5 years ago, Noori was, okay, Noori was thrice as old as Sonu. Thrice as old as Sonu. Correct? Yes. Noori was thrice as old as Sonu. Now let us see, frame the equation here. X minus 5 as it is. 3 into y, 3y. 3 5s are 15. We know the standard form. After x, we should bring y terms. Plus y if I bring this side, minus 3y. Minus 15 as it is. This minus 5 I am taking numbers one side now. So this minus 5 if I take this side, it becomes plus 5. X minus 3y is equals to minus plus minus 15 minus 5 is 10. Bigger number sign, minus 10. This is our equation 1. This is about 5 years ago. We got one case, one situation. Let us see now 10 years later. 10 years later means after 10 years. 10 years after 10 years, or we can write 10 years later. Okay. Noori's age after 10 years. Noori's age x plus 10. Sonu's age y plus 10. Okay. As per question, what according to the question the condition is what? Let us see. 10 years later, Noori will be twice as old as Sonu. Noori x plus 10. Noori will be twice as old as Sonu, y plus 10. According to the question, Noori. I have written Noori's age and Sonu's age after 10 years. So Noori will be twice as old as Sonu. Let us solve this. X plus 10 as it is. 2 into y, 2y. 2 tens are 20. Now standard form, x after y we will bring minus 2y. This 20 as it is here. This 10 if I take this side, minus 10. X minus 2y is equals to 20 minus 10 is 10. Equation 2. Now we can go for solving 1 and 2. Solving equation 1 and 2. Solving equation 1 and 2 we get, okay, x minus 3y is equals to minus 10. X minus 2y is equals to 10. Okay, here we can see x and x we have same terms, but we cannot eliminate because they have same sign. So we will change the sign. Minus, this minus will become plus and this plus will become minus. I have changed the sign. X gone, eliminated. Minus plus, we have to do minus. 3 minus 2 is 1y, but bigger number sign is minus, is equal to, both minus means we have to do plus. 10 plus 10, 20, but sign is minus. Minus minus got cancelled. Y is equals to what we got? 20. Okay. As we got y 20, let us put in equation, any one equation. Put, I'll do this side here, put y is equals to 20 in any one, either equation 1 or equation 2, whichever. I'll take equation 2. Okay, x minus 2y is equals to 10. X as it is, minus 2 also as it is. Y value what we got, 20 is equals to 10. X is equals to x minus 22 to the 40. 20 to the 40 is equals to 10. X is equals to 10 minus 40. If I bring here, plus 40. Always what is there equal to after same as it is we should keep. Then we should bring this number this side and change the sign. X is equals to what we got, 40 plus 10, 50. Lastly what we have to write, therefore. Okay, therefore Noori's present age be, Noori's present age is nothing but x, and x is equals to 50 years, and Sonu's present age is y, and y value is 20 years. So this is the solution for question number 2, that is Noori problem, which is very important for board examination. So in my next video I am coming up with the next questions. So do like and share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.